the design of the vertebrate brain is the same for all of us. So we all have spinal cord, and we all have nerves that activate muscles and nerves that carry sensations. If you look at higher vertebrates, you will have, in addition to sensation tact, you will have vision, audition, taste, and olfaction. The systems are all very similar. Now, what is the problem? Or what is one of the central problems of how the brain works? The central problem is, how do we take these bits of reality, the color of things, the shape of things, the feeling of things, the sounds that these things make, and produce a single image out of all of these parts? Imagine it's like you were masticating reality. You were dividing reality in its parts. Some part of the system analyzes color, other analyze movement, other analyze weight or sensation of tactual activity. How do we put all these things into one image of reality? How do we make one cognitive event? Now, what is the problem? The problem is when you look at the brain, you find that the different sensory systems go to different parts of the brain. Can I have the brain, please? So this is a brain made out of rubber that is about the size of a human brain in general. So this is what we have inside our head. Now, if we take it out, you see the different colors. For instance, this part back here is the visual input. So if you consider eye here, the eye connects to the other side back there. If you want to consider audition, you find that the audition, we can just take it apart, actually occurs in this part of the brain. So what is the problem? The problem is the distance between this part and that part. This distance is enormous when you consider how big a cell is. A cell is a very tiny point. So how does these cells find these cells to make the vision and the audition, the auditory part, into one single event? So if I have something in my hand, like a bird, I can see the bird, I can hear the bird sing, I can feel the two little legs of the bird in my hand. I see one bird in my hand. How do I make all of this activity into one event? That is the issue.